Global markets are showing signs of volatility. This is usual before US elections. Last 4 US elections has shown us that there is significant volatility before the elections, and markets settle down and start going up post US elections. Maybe the same trend will get repeated this time as well. Considering US being the mother market, the volatility is also spreading across the world, and emerging markets like India are also showing signs of volatility. One has to also remember that markets worldwide were either at all-time high or close to all-time high, and naturally some amount of volatility and nervousness at such levels was expected. Now on the positive side, the abundance of liquidity continues. US Fed has promised to keep rates where they are till 2023, and this augurs well for the risk-on mood of the foreign investors, which in turn helps emerging markets like India. Also, the monsoon and rural economy, the support which they have got, is going to lead the revival of Indian economy. Coming festive season may also give opportunity for significant pent-up consumption demand coming back. Keeping this backdrop in mind, the investors would do well to focus on sectors and companies which has potential for providing stable, steady returns over a period of 1 year plus. We believe that pharma continues to be the darling of the market and probably will continue to provide good returns to the investors in the short, medium, and long term. A basket of Indian leading pharma companies, maybe with few mid-cap pharma names, should do the trick. We can look at Dr. Reddy's, we can look at Oro Pharma, we can look at companies like Cadila, Cipla, Torrent Pharma, Natco Pharma. I think all these pharma companies can be picked up, and one can prepare a basket of pharma stocks for reaping the reward of appreciation over a period of time. The second sector which investors need to carefully look and participate is the technology and IT. There has been enough and more signs during the COVID that there has been a significant upturn in demand for Indian technology companies' services. We believe the top 10-15 Indian companies will benefit significantly in the near future due to incremental digitization and automation of activities across the world. So one can look at top-tier IT companies like Infosys, TCS, HCL Tech. One can also look at mid-cap and other IT companies like a Mindtree, like a Mphasis, and such other companies. Overall, we believe that markets will maintain its positive bias, and I won't be surprised if we hit the 12,000 Nifty mark before Diwali.